how can I actually make money using Amazon PPC ads as a beginner is by acknowledging that to make money, it takes money. You have to understand that if you're not investing enough money, at least $3,000 on advertising, it's not worth for you to spend that money because Amazon, it became more and more expensive. On Amazon, you can do more and more money. Amazon is launching lots of features that are amazing. You should be trying out. And for all that, if you have a $10 budget per day or $30 budget even per day or $100 budget per day. And I am not saying that from a point of view that is not good enough. No, I'm telling you from the point of view that 5 years ago when I started my brand, I literally bought the idea that, all right, $5,000 is enough for me to outsource this, to find a product, buy it from China, ship it here, sell it, and put together a listing, and put together branding, and put together everything, And very soon, less than 3 months, from the 5,000 initial investment, I ended up with 25,000 at least investment, while I did not have that money. The $3,000 I initially invested 5 years ago in advertising, it costed almost twice our monthly rent. So I do understand and I do get when you're saying $3,000 is a lot of money. I get it. The platform, it's expensive. And especially if you have products that are in a supplement niche, beauty niche, and so on, one freaking click, it's $20, $30, $50 for someone to just click on your listing. Why am I telling you all this? The first rule I would understand now that I did not know 5 years ago, it was that it's going to cost me money to make money.